What is up? Today we will be testing which knife is faster to open. One automatic boy, or a standard sharp boy. First the automatic. Did you miss that? Let's watch it again. Observe the quickness. Now for the standard boy. Oh dear, it seems the latch is causing it to open slowly. Let's try starting unlatched. Okay, wow. They call this move the quick draw. More like slowest draw in the West. That was slower than a one-legged dog on horse tranquilizers. It appears the standard boy is no match for the savage quickness of the automatic. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Now you know the truth.